Michael, like, even if you didn't make it till the end, it's so clear that you're a winner in your own right with how the people perceive you now, how your career has gone after. And ang ganda kasi, even though you exited earlier than what you would have wanted, feeling ko natapos kasi yung arc mo inside the house. Kasi I remember, I felt really bad for you when I saw that one, parang kinausap mo si kuya na evicted ka na naman, I think,
yung
for like the
magulgul
third
to.
week or something.
Di kasi
And I
umiiyak to, guys.
Yeah,
Hindi.
and I remember parang thinking na, kasi Michael is like a friend in real life. Ew. Anyway,
Ew.
Michael is like a friend in
Sweet
real
and
life.
sappy.
So alam ko na, like, hindi siya yung, Michael is an acquired taste.
Totoo.
O hindi, being honest lang. Like, kailangan mo siyang kilalanin. And lahat naman tayo, may parts about him or of him na kailangan mo i-accept, kailangan mong i-understand. And if hindi mo siya bibigyan ng chance na makilala mo siya talaga, ma-explain niya yung sarili niya, mami-misjudge mo talaga siya agad. So I'm happy na you started off na it was quite rocky and people didn't quite understand you. But I feel like before you left the house, na napakilala mo yung sarili mo ng maayos eh.
Pare.
So, dun pa lang, winner ka na dun.
Acquired taste nga. Nung una, di masyado trip. Nung katagalan, ay,
Oo,
masarap.
parang oo. Okay naman pala.
No, thank you, Thea. I appreciate that. Kasi nga, as I entered that house, I told myself, I'll just be me. Like, ilang serye yung ginawa ko before na I'm portraying someone else. Sabi ko, this is my first show on TV that I can be myself and just be who I am. At pagpasok ko, maingay agad ako, makulit agad ako. And sabi ko nga sa family ko, sabi ko, if you guys really knew me, that's just how I am. If my friends watch, they know that ganun ako. But I understood, I already knew the first nomination. So I told everybody, I was like, I feel like I'm gonna get nominated. Kasi nga, I am very... I'm not everybody's cup of tea. Given na, I have a personality that I know can contrast with others. And given we're in a house that's filled with different personalities, I'm gonna clash with someone or with many people, which I didn't care because for me, I wanted to show lang na ako yun. Akong ganun ako and I will show you how I will adapt to you guys. It's not naman being so arrogant na hindi, I'm like this, I wanted to show every time I got nominated how much I wanted to be a part of that family, adapt to them, feel like I can still belong with them. And that's why naghagulgol ako dun sa confession room. I almost actually wanted to voluntarily exit because it was a very difficult moment for me. For the first time, I felt an anxiety attack na hindi ko alam na mararanasan ko pala. Kasi as much as I wanted to be mentally strong in life, yun yung time na parang, grabe, I don't know what to do. But luckily, Kuya was there, and that was this journey in PBB. It wasn't really just about, just to win, to play the game. For me, I felt like a winner because I got to learn a lot about myself. Doon ako naging komportable sa sarili ko, maging vulnerable man ako, ang dami kong natutunan, ang dami kong lessons na natutunan how I can navigate through life, especially now that I'm entering my adult years. And yun yung sinasabi ko sa mga housemates na, guys, once in a lifetime siya because you really learn a lot about yourself. And tulad ko, I had an arc, Vince had an arc, all the other housemates had an arc that made our stories very beautiful.
Wala ganun talaga sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
for
eh.
listening to his TED Talk. That's it.
Na parang lahat ng emotions
OT.
talaga taas-baba. Na parang pag malungkot ka, sobrang lungkot mo talaga. Tsaka pag masaya ka, sobrang saya mo din talaga. Na parang matututunan mo yung kung sino ka. Madami kang matutunan. Hindi lang sa sarili mo, pa din sa ibang tao.
Tsaka comment ko lang din, pare, yung ano niya ni Emilio, pare. Kasi si Emilio, kung tutuusin mo, sobrang ikli lang din ng time niya sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
1 month
Pero
siya.
naging ganun kayo talaga.
It's my duo, pare.
Yes, sir.
Oh, pati paglabas
It's my
eh.
best friend.
Pati paglabas eh. Talagang naka-form kayo ng friendship in that short time eh.
Yeah.
So,
I love that guy. Shout out, duo. I miss you,
Emilio,
duo.
mag-guest ka naman.
Oh,
oh, pare!
Do!
Please.
Guess ka naman, boy.
Pero
boy, Binoy.